Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma. Today I'm gonna do a small Sephora haul. I went shopping online and I got a few things, not a lot. I already have this in my collection, but I wanted three more colors. The Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner pencils, the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. I wanted more colors and I saw that they had a sale. I think they were $11.50 off. I think regular price is 20 something. I don't know, but I was like, dude, right now is my time to get this. So I got three and I wanted to swatch these with you. So my makeup is done. I'm gonna finish my eyeliner section and my mascara with you guys because I wanted to try one of these on. But I wanted something different. So I got Empire. This is a dark purple color. Purple goes really well on brown eyes. That's why I got it. And then I got Sabbath. It's a navy blue color. I don't know which one I'm gonna do today. And I got Smoke. It's supposed to be a gray color. I don't know. Should I do Empire or Smoke? Because my eyeshadow is like pinky. Maybe the Smoke. All right, well, first I'm going to try out the ones I'm not going to wear today. So let's do Sabbath. Let's swatch it. I really love these. I decided to buy more because I really, really love the ones I already own. The ones I already own is Whiskey and the dark one. I think it's called Zero. Anyways, I wanted different colors. I love these so much. I just hate sharpening them because it's hard because of the material of the pencil. But look at that. It's a deep blue. This is exactly what I wanted. Like a dark blue color for my eyeliner. And they're waterproof, so that's why I like it. The other color that I bought is called Smoke. It's the dark gray. And let's swatch that one. Ooh, yeah, I like that one. Yeah, I wanted like a dark gray. I don't know, maybe my lighting is weird, but anyways, I like it. And the one I am thinking maybe might use, I don't know. I still don't know what color I'm gonna use. This one is it's called Empire. It's a purple. So I'm gonna swatch it on top. Ooh, yeah, I wanted dark colors and that's exactly it. I love it. I still don't know what I'm gonna use. The other purchase that I got, I had to repurchase the Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil because I'm running low on the one I have. This is the one I have. Oh my gosh. Like as soon as I got that low, I was like, yo, I need to hurry and purchase another one because I'm doomed. So here's the other one. This is a new one and I got it in medium brown. I love how it has a spoolie on the other end, so I'm able to comb through after I fill them in. And of course, on top of that, I use this brow gel to keep them still, like to keep the hairs fluffed and still. And yes, the Perfect Brow Pencil. And I love, 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 love how it lasts a really long time. As opposed to like the retractable ones. I tried the NYX one. I tried different brands. I tried the Anastasia brand and I really don't like them. So I decided to go back to pencil and I really love this one. Love it, love it. Medium brown. And of course they give you some samples. I got the Super Goop sunscreen SPF 50. And this is a moisturizer by Merit. And yeah, that's what I got. that's my purchase for today for the Black Friday deals or whatever. Okay, so I decided to go with Smoke. It's the dark gray, and I think it'll go well with my pink shimmery, it's like iridescent eyeshadow. So let's see. I love them because I like to gently tap on the top waterline, like near my lashes, my lash line, my top lash line. I like to really gently just, you know, work my way up with the liner. Okay, I like that. But I like how smooth and it doesn't tug on your skin and like creamy. Like I wish I had all the colors, but you know, can't do it all. I know it looks a little harsh, it's okay. So this is how I do it. Okay, and I got this one. I'm gonna grab it. This one, I bought it at Target. It's a Sonia Kashuk brush. And I'm gonna pick that up and just work that color, like trace it out. And move it wherever I want. Like that. Okay, and I'm gonna pick up this gray color, or you could do like a black. But anyways, I'll do the gray just because it's gray liner. And with the same brush, I'm picking up my eyeshadow. The one I'm using right now, it's called Scene by MAC. Scene. Like the movie Scene.
What the hell? The PB kids are like that.
Really?
What?
Nothing, baby. I just said really.
Yeah. The road needs like.
Okay, now I'm gonna do my other eye and gently just trace my outer lash line. You know, I just trace the outer part of my eye pretty much. Back with my brush, and I'm gonna trace. The mascara I'm using today is this one by Maybelline. I'm gonna put some on my lashes. This is the Colossal, Bubble Colossal, or whatever mascara in Black is Black. I'm gonna put some on and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, and this is my finished look with my eyeliner and my eyeshadow. I decided to do a very simple look. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this lipstick. The lipstick I'm wearing today is called Forever Curious. It's by MAC and it looks like this. It's very pretty. And this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my little mini haul. Have a great day and I'll see you guys on the next video.